Hi there, I'm Ben from Memberium. In this video, I want to talk to you about the Makepass Scanner. Now, the Makepass Scanner is simply an additional option, a way to generate passwords without using an HTTP post. That's a normal way of generating passwords in Memberium for Infusionsoft. And the Makepass Scanner works a little bit differently. It works by scanning all the contacts in your Infusionsoft account. It sees which ones need passwords, generates passwords for them, and then allows you to take it from there. Now, the benefit of using the Makepass Scanner is that oftentimes we find people coming to Memberium support because an HTTP post didn't make it to their site or an HTTP post failed. And that's a problem as it is. However, the bigger issue is that users, people who just paid for content on our customer sites, they don't immediately get their password, which means they have to contact our customer or their support team, and then they have to get a new password generated, and they can't log in immediately to access what they just purchased. So we resolve this by only sending welcome emails after a user has had a password generated, rather than just hoping that the timing works out. Let me explain how this works and how to set it up. So the first thing that you need to do is actually just come over here into Memberium and then come over here to the sync options, and you'll see we have just 4 simple options. The first one is a Makepass start tag, and this is you're just going to simply set a tag. In this case, I should name mine Makepass. I'll explain how this all works in just a moment. The next thing is that you need a Makepass complete tag. This is simply a tag that indicates that the Makepass process has been completed. In other words, the user has a password. And these last 2 options here, you really don't need to mess with unless you really want to. The Makepass complete action set, this just allows you to run an action set inside of Infusionsoft anytime the Makepass function works for a contact. And the last thing here is the contacts per scan. You can just leave this at 20. No need to change that to any other value. If you're having problems, contact our support team, and we'll recommend if you need to change this or not. Now, over inside of Infusionsoft here, I have my campaign opened up. You're probably familiar with a very similar campaign. You probably have something like this where you have a purchase goal up here at the front, then you're applying the membership tags and sending a welcome email. And really all that I've done here is just interjected or inserted this tag goal right here that says Makepass complete. So let me just walk you through this process. So first things first, gold member or somebody purchases my gold membership. That triggers this whole campaign. Then they come inside this sequence here, which first applies their gold membership tag, as you can see right there. The next tag that I apply is the Makepass customer tag. What that does is that triggers the Makepass process to start. So now Memberium is going to, every 3 minutes, scan the entire Infusionsoft contact database looking for users that have that Makepass tag, the one that I just applied to my user. So then, once that happens, the 3 minutes goes by and the user has their password, and Memberium has removed the start tag and applied the complete tag. It's applied this tag that we set up right here, Makepass complete. That triggers this tag goal right here, which means that this sequence over here starts, the sending of the welcome email, which has the password in it and all of that. Now, the benefit to this system again is that users already get their membership tags. That's great. However, the welcome email isn't sent until this goal right here is triggered. That means that the welcome email can't be sent until Memberium has given the go-ahead that the user has a password, that a password has been generated successfully for that person. So really, that's all you need to know on how to use the Makepass Scanner as an option for generating your passwords. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to contact our support team by sending us an email to support@memberium.com.